Last night, all I think about is you. Don't stop, baby, you come on.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you.
Just finished washing and also drinking my soup. But guys, my offer talk soon about the Polygamist. I'm probably so late because season 1 finished already, and yesterday I was literally from episode 1 to 22, and my oh my good put together series. Man, I lie, I was hooked from episode 1 all the way to episode 22. I just wanted more of that series. It's the first in a long time outside of Power and what the other one named Black Beauty. I see a series where like got me so hooked. And big up to the Nollywood people and big up to the African or the Nigerian people that were produced that series. Well done. I don't think it's short or nothing. And honestly, I felt like that movie has so many lessons in it where everybody can learn something from the young girls them nowadays to the big woman them. Trust me guys, if you don't know watch the Polygamist, come and I really want to spoil it for nobody, go and watch it. I feel like there is so much things in it that you can learn. It shows you the little young girl them will love run down the big man them, and it has shown us the lesson of to be much careful about what I do. When I run down big man because I like likes and I like the fly out and I like the this and I like the that. It's not everything that glitters is gold. You understand? And even for some of the big man them will love gold, they go look for pray upon the little young girl them too. A lot of these young girls are carrying things, yeah, and they might carry it and they might go on it, and when I go carry it go on wife, and it just really does tell us they just can't trust nobody, yeah man. But like big up to all the characters, I feel like they all play their role well and them execute properly. Like I don't know how many of y'all watch the movie that I am in, Hidden Truth. If you don't watch Hidden Truth on YouTube, go ahead and watch it now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can go check out Hidden Truth. That's the movie that I am in. Someone commented and was like the movie remind them of the Polygamist and said that the role that I played in the movie was Essie. Boy, let me slap you. But anyway, and that was really what motivated me to go and watch the Polygamist, because I didn't really want to see who the character that they were comparing me to. I'm not gonna lie, when I actually watched the full episodes and really watch Essie's character and what happened during the whole series, I understand why that's the role of me play at Essie. I think my favorite character honestly is, I can't even choose because everybody play them roles so good, from Essie to Janasi to Napatali, whatever she want name, to the wife. I feel like even the young girl, I feel like everybody executed their roles so good. I'm just want to say guys, if you don't watch the Polygamist, I'm not gonna really talk it out. Go and check it out. It's definitely a great series to watch. But just know that there is a lot of life lessons in that movie, especially in today's time and what is going on in the world with the whole man them and the whole woman them and the whole girl. Everybody is sleeping with each other in a circle. Like, and if you want to see my movie that I am in, Hidden Truth, go and check it out now on YouTube. Check the description box below. Make sure you sound a comment and make me know say yeah when I check it out. And y'all are there representing for me. I just didn't want to talk about the Polygamist because I enjoy it until I have to go find a new series for binge fan. And please, all the people them were direct that movie, they don't wait until the next 3 years before they put out season 2. I'm ready to see what's happening. My prediction is the twins are actually not for Janasi. I feel like the twins are gonna be for the pastor or the minister, whatever I want to be. But I feel like the twins them are gonna end up for the minister one. But let's see. And the last part where the son gonna end up sleep with the girl, like me I wanted to myself, if him never find out what kill him father, like him not realize that HIV kill him father, him not realize that chick was the last chick that his father was with. Me I wanted to myself, if him knows that the girl is sick, or if him even did speculate that, I saw him in love that him blind and dumb and would have died. Me just so upset in the news I condom, because boy oh boy, I don't want to see all that I go down. Great series. I'm gonna check it out if you don't check it out yet. The Polygamist bad. Morning A Nation, we're back again. Today is another day on the chicken farm. You know we just reached guys. Me I tell her say me tired. And me just have to climb one piece of hill to come that side, yeah. And it come like it drain me. But what I have to do it, we have to keep going. No matter the obstacles, you know. We have to defeat that and just keep pushing. So we're there on the ground again. And today is about a week or about 6 days since the last picking. All of the chicken them we pick a couple days ago, almost gone. We had some that were left over because them never fully fit up yet, you know. You don't know, so you have to give the chicken them at least 6 weeks. So we're outside today because them fit now, and we're going to try see if we can get them finished. It's a small group of us today, only 3, but it's not a lot of chicken, not as much as not as much as we did a few days ago. But them ready, so we have to get them out, and yeah, the ones them we pick almost done, so you know we have to stack up again, right? So it's another day on the chicken farm, A Nation. So I'm just carrying along with we, you know, we're gonna get some highlights. Go and big up on yourself, A Nation, cause we're outside like how we want the place. Yeah. While I'm going to set up the Fire Nation, we're just there right, so we'll go through some potential collaborations. We'll just go and take it easy until then. Right now, they must set up the fire. I'm so sure of that. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is our next batch where we are waiting for fit up. These are about 2 weeks old. Come check on them, make sure for them good. Them are feeding. They want some water. Come on now, run all over the place like you're not really tired. You guys may try to pick up one of this. Come here 4 times. Here running now, run up and down. You mad? Guys, today I try to pick up one, but I peer run them and run. I don't know what's going on. Peer ugly them and ugly up like them think I come to kill them. And another type of day there, you know. And no phone time yet, bossy. Phone time is not now. Them ugly up like them friend.
No, I think that's finished.
We do it. Anyway, guys, so that way they, I don't know. Make sure so them little feathers that get them water. Them fully stock up already with food. And this is the thing with chickens, you have to make sure say them don't run out of food. That's the #1 thing. And guys, but not telling a lie, if you don't know, chicken feed very expensive. So some of the time when I see people them put a price on chicken, the feed them expensive, and the chicken them have to always have food. Especially when you grow a good amount of chicken, you have to always have a good amount of feeding. Because as them get older, them eat more food. Like how them when you're so little now, them eating but not as much. But when them big, them eat more food. And one of the most expensive thing, guys, are the chicken feeding. Yeah. So these are not the ones that are going to be slain today, just in case you not wonder. Them one are still you know, fit up. So we're gonna go around at the side with the rest of them, but we're gonna chop up today and make gonna see what go on. Time to go chicken little. Too big now. Time to go. Relax, relax. Watch out the road. Time to go, chicken big. Go down, go down, go down. Come chicken big. Time to go and make somebody's dinner. Come. It's time. Hey, shut up. Shut up. Alright guys, I'm gonna see what I got on, right?
Fight!
Alright, I ate that. So we are carried on them right now. They will forward back for some more. Next bag there. Or 3 bag full. Whew. They're on a journey, yeah. And bad man can't stop, we not there. That was a lot.
Anytime you call them to come in like cook them as we are them a wonder who I for them, you know.
I don't know the badness already. Chicken them going in the water. We are waiting for the chicken them for going in the warm water now. And then when them cool down, we draw them out and we start the badness. And I don't know the pickings already. Yeah. I eat up all the mango. Kind of soft. I don't know what kind of mango this one, but great way to start the day. Guys, so that was a day and a half, another day on the chicken farm with me. Look busted down. We gather the featherings, we get them in the place where they're supposed to get to, and that is it for the day on the chicken farm. Tell me why the little ponytail when me go do now put my head got foot loose. Why is it that when I'm editing the video, may I say up at the top of the crown of the ponytail, piece of the ear shoe off. You know when you finish wrap the ponytail and then you have to wrap it round, so yeah, and stick it together for it stay down smooth and nice. Tell me why I miss the piece of life up. Anyway, I didn't notice it from before, but they leave out of the house and I did fix it. So in another video the guys are gonna realize that up here, so yeah, it never stay too good. But remember is no professional, and this is why I'm trying to go get skilled up in the beauty world. I want to learn the techniques them with the ear, I want to learn the techniques with the makeup, and that is just what me feel like me want to attack right now for myself. So anyway, remember me tell us so we're always going to look update on that. So that is that. But tired, me go bed. I don't know if I'm hungry. God no, at this point I don't even know if I'm hungry. But I know I'm thirsty for sure. But I need to go bed after running stuff for me, bed after chicken off for me. Relax. Finish edit my video. At this point I'm editing the video where I'm washing my hair. Yeah, that video is a day and a half. But they will laugh when me I edit that video there guys. When me I wash my hair with the male shampoo, I was like, this is a whole messy content. But I still edit it anyway, come here. So you know what? It's just fun. Nothing in life not perfect, and I want to discard that narrative, you know. No perfection, it's unreal, you get what I say. And a lot of the times we're so used to the nice aesthetic, sometimes we have to see the real and the raw, and that is what I'm doing on Alicia Amor TV. But just a show of life in a realest way in a Jamaica, because the average Jamaican is not living with the perfect aesthetic, contrary to what the internet might make you guys think. So guys, I got beard, relax, tone down, think if I want to get something to eat. I probably will, because I never really eat no strong food yesterday, because I couldn't have to eat it, you know. But guys, girl realized that me I get really fat, and that's a good thing, you know. I'm happy, I'm living, I'm breathing, I'm nice. Yeah, so me I get a little fat, but I make up my mind so I go get back to the workout, because girl, I can't continue for this to blow up like a blowfish. So when I supposed to me I give a little workout content as well. Yeah, they have to stay flat and thing. You don't watch the male ear wash video, it's funny to me, you get what I say. It's a whole mess, and I had fun doing it, because I like to wash my hair, and I always like to have fun washing my hair. So when I get to see a little bit of that, one of the time I scream at the video when I wash my hair, you know, when I start screaming, remember when I'm young, and them used to have hell for wash my ear because from a little bit me afraid for wash my ear. For them used to wash my ear now outside. So I don't know how much I remember the stone concrete double top what used to, in the backyard, depending on which part I live. Me used to have one of that there tell you. Apart from that, my grandfather used to watch our ear most of the time. So anytime him lift me up and put me in that and start. No matter where if he try to hold me down and put me under the pipe, me a ball. If he put me in the tub, hold my head back where I show what me a ball. Me used to bally. So when I watch that, I was just dragged back to that memory of when my grandfather used to wash my hair, and it used to be a scene in the yard on Saturdays because me, when they wash my hair, I am super coward. I'm just a ball and a scream and I go on. So that reminded me of that. I enjoyed that ear wash video. They want to go and go watch it. Alright guys, I don't know, so today is Sunday, June 21st. Yeah, we ate some up because we are doing some outdoor cooking right now. I'm not really sure on all of that, you know, but I don't know now, so we are chef up. I do one of my favorite things, them fried chicken and rice and peas. Maybe a little one piece of fish on the side, I'm not sure yet, and some carrot juice. But as I say, I'm not going to do all of that, you know. Just when it done, I don't know, I like the vibes already, I like the outdoor vibes, so we're taking it outside today. We have on the peas and thing already, and we have on the pot because we're going to fry the chicken. It's currently 9 o'clock. You see how early we start this thing? It's 9 a.m. in the morning, and now we it's no time because we want done by 12 o'clock, so we could see how the day go.
You see me move, you feel the pull.
Yeah, so today actually Father's Day, guys. For the day when I shoot a video, some of us want to big up to all of the real fathers them out there. We can't go like we want to dismiss the fact that you have some really great fathers out there where stand up for them children, where that goes as hard for their kids as women would. You see me? So I want to take this time right now for say if you are one of them father there, we make sacrifices and go all out for your youth. Big up you. Leading up to this day, I've seen a lot of conversations regarding Father's Day. A lot of the fathers them are cry out and them say, yo, we don't put as much effort into Father's Day as we do on Mother's Day. They don't really see where the mothers them go all out. You know, the fathers do have their expectations as well, guys. Them would have like to see the ladies them and put out effort for them on this day the same way how they would put out the effort for a female or for them baby mother or for them wife with kids on this day. So every time it comes around to Father's Day, I put this message in a vlog. If you don't have a real good baby father or a really good husband that goes all out for the kids or for the kids them want to share, yeah man, send him a shout out, man. Show him respect on the day and make him feel appreciated. We know say you have a lot of fathers out there that don't show up. You know, we know we have a lot of waste man out there. Them they're not father, them are just straight waste man. We know we have enough man out there, we not mind them youth, we not show up for them youth. But let's not forget, we have men out there that actually show up for them youths. So ladies, if you know within yourself say you have a good baby father, whether you and him they are not, you know, if you can buy him a rose, buy him a rose. If you can buy him a gift, buy him a gift. You understand? And if all you feel like you want to give him is gratitude on the day by just bigging him up and telling him happy Father's Day, do that, because we can't dismiss the fact that we have real good fathers out there. Me know enough of my brethren them we have youth, and I see time and time again them go all out and make sacrifices for them youth. Them love them youth just as much as the mother would stand. So we can't make the good suffer for the bad. Happy Father's Day to all of the real general them out there. Yeah, me know by the time when I watch the video you have the vlog gone, but if you not see this after Father's Day, just know that me out here salute you know as good fathers. Much respect and big up on yourself on Father's Day. Alright?
All I think about is you. Don't stop and you come on.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me